In this video, I'll guide you through how to find downloaded property lists in PropWire. Today, we're going to look at how to locate property lists that you have already downloaded from your PropWire account. This can be helpful if you have created a list in the past, downloaded it, and need to find it again later. Instead of rebuilding the same list from scratch, you can quickly check your previous downloads directly inside your account. The process is simple and can be done from your PropWire dashboard. I've already logged into my PropWire account, and this is the home screen. To find your downloaded property lists, start by looking at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that icon to open the account menu. Once you open the menu, you'll see several different options available. From this list, you want to select Activity. This section keeps track of different actions and downloads connected to your PropWire account. After opening the Activity section, you'll be able to see the property lists that you have previously downloaded. These are the different lists that were created and saved from your searches inside PropWire. As you scroll through the activity list, look for the property list you want to access. Keep in mind that the names of these downloads may not always be very specific. In many cases, they may simply appear as a general download name, such as a property download or a list of downloaded properties. Because of this, you may need to open different downloads to find the exact list you are looking for. One helpful tip is to pay attention to the date of each download. If you remember approximately when you created or downloaded a specific property list, you can use that date to narrow down your search. Once you find the correct download, you can access the property list again without needing to rebuild the search from the beginning. And that's the easiest way to find your downloaded property lists in PropWire. The Activity section is where you can go whenever you need to review previous downloads or locate an older list you created. If you know another way to find downloaded lists in PropWire, feel free to share it. Hopefully you found this video useful. If it helped, consider leaving a thumbs up or subscribing for more tutorials. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.